Come back, guys, welcome back to another video. Yes guys, I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make some cold and cough remedy, and I'm using today some ginger and garlic. Yes, I have about 5 heads of garlic cloves right there and some ginger, and these are already washed, waiting on the water to boil up in this little pot right here. Yes guys, and you all know it's winter. Yes, not winter everywhere, but you know, it's winter for some places where our body change and we're easy to catch a cold and cough. So I'm gonna make some remedies at this moment for me and the kids. Yeah, so yeah guys, if you're new to my channel, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yes guys, and turn on your post notifications so when I upload you won't miss a video from me. Put it on all so you won't miss any of my videos. So guys, don't watch the noise in the background. My kids are playing. Yes, as I told you guys before, when I'm doing my vlogs, I don't stop them from play. Or if they're near beside me, then I'll tell them to, you know, go a little far off from me. Yeah, if you don't have lime guys, you can use lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime. Right, they both work the same way. So I'm out of lemon, so I'm gonna use lime. And I'm gonna use honey to sweeten it, and I'm gonna keep it on the fridge after it's cool. So I'm gonna show you guys the outcome of this cold and cough remedy. So now guys, the remedy is ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead and strain. Yes, strain this. Then I'm gonna sweeten with my honey, and I'm gonna squeeze a lemon in it as well.